Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. This is your science online class. Students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the solar system. Okay, so first give me the answer of one question, that what can you see in the sky on a clear cloudless night? आप रात के समय स्काई में क्या क्या देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स? Let me tell about that. Let me answer. You can see the moon and so many stars, right? So students, you have heard about solar system, or have you listened about planets? Do you know about planets? No? So in this lesson we will learn about all these planets and solar system. Okay? So let's start the lesson. The solar system. What is solar system, students? We can say that the sun and the family is called solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay? The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit or revolve around the sun. Okay? So, first we will learn about sun. So, it is a star, it is a huge glowing ball of fire, source of heat and light. It is the center of the solar system. Okay, and all the planets revolve around this sun. Now, the planets. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun along a fixed path. This fixed path is called its orbit. Each planet has, in fact, its own orbit. Thus, it keeps at a certain distance from the sun. Unlike the sun, the planets do not produce their own light and heat. Okay, so in order of increasing distance from the sun, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And in this lesson we will learn about these planets in details. So first is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Okay. Next is Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is hottest and brightest planet. It is seen at the time of dawn in the eastern sky, hence called morning star. Its size is similar to the Earth. So it is also called the sister planet of the Earth. Okay, students? Next is Earth. Our Earth. Okay? It is only planet on which life exists, and it is also called blue planet because almost 70% of its surface covered with water. Okay, and next is Mars. Mars is also called red planet because the soil and rocks on this planet are red in color. Scientists believe that besides Earth, Mars can also support life. Okay, Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is largest planet. It is heavier than all the planets taken together, and it is fastest spinning planet. Okay, it is the 5th planet from the sun. Next is Saturn. It is also known for the bright rings around it. It is easily seen in the night with the help of the telescope. Okay, Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. Next is Uranus. It is very cold and consists of cold gases. It is seen only through a very powerful telescope. Okay. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It was the first planet discovered using a telescope. So, next is Neptune. Neptune, it is both Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. It is also has rings like Saturn. Neptune is eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. So next is we learn about stars. You all have seen the stars, students, in the sky at night. Stars are seen as bright spots of light which twinkle in the night sky. These are huge balls of burning gases that spread heat and light in space. Okay, we see a lots of shining and twinkling objects that are called stars. Okay, in the night sky. So, a small group of stars appear to form a pattern in the sky. This pattern is called constellation. Okay, what is it is called? Constellation. And there are 88 constellations in the universe. Stars are actually huge but look like tiny dots because they are so far away. Next is moon and satellites. An object that revolves around a planet is called its satellite. Almost all planets have satellites. Okay. Satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. Many planets have their own satellite. The moon revolves around the earth. It is the only natural satellite of earth. Okay. So, it is the natural satellite. Moon is the natural satellite. The moon does not have light of its own. It reflects back the light of the sun falling on it. Okay, you can see in this picture here. Next is surface of the moon is uneven. It has mountains, plains, craters. These are craters and volcanoes. No life exists on the moon. Okay. So students, today up to here we will learn, and the rest of the chapter we will learn in the next class. Till the next video, next class. Have a good day, students.